You're bidding on a 3/4 inch Chicago Pneumatic impact wrench. This is a CP6060, looks like SAS. Came from a closed manufacturing facility who maintained their pneumatic equipment. Go ahead, start them up. A lot of torque. Throws your hand when you zip it. Okay, rotate it please. Very nice condition. Very expensive unit. This thing here is $1,800 if you went to buy a new one. And I don't think you could buy anything any better. Maybe worse, could be newer, but this will last a long time. Everything is replaceable on it. They last forever. Good luck bidding.